Hey everyone, it's me, Soulen. Today I'm here to tell you about cool feature in cars you might have not noticed. See this thing? This is seatbelt height adjuster. Well, not everyone's the same height, right? Some of us are tall like basketball players, while others are working on their growth, like me. So press and slide. Adjust for safety and comfort. And it's super important for keeping us safe and comfy on the road. Now you might be wondering, why do we have to adjust our seatbelts? We don't want the belt cutting into our neck or sliding up into our tummy. We want it to sit next to our chest and lap. Safety first. Make sure your seatbelts fit just right. Thanks for watching. Bye.